Are you looking for the best box fan? In this video we will look at some of the best box fan. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Air King 20-inch 3-speed commercial grade box fan. Noise may drown out nearby conversations. We spent 3 weeks testing box fans, and none compared to the power and air circulation of the Air King. When placed in a stuffy bedroom, it instantly made the space feel more comfortable. According to our tests, this fan delivered an impressive 12.6 miles per hour wind gust on its highest setting. Even on its lowest setting, it provided more circulation than some of the other models' highest settings. Unfortunately, with the powerful airspeed came a lot of noise. The Air King was the loudest of all the fans we tested, ranging from 74 to 77 dB when measured from 2 feet away. We had a hard time carrying on conversations or enjoying a TV show when this fan ran in the background. However, it generated a great amount of white noise, making it easy to fall asleep. We liked that we could toggle between 3 speeds, and the carry handle made it easy to transport up and down the stairs. When tested with an energy meter, the Air King consumed between 56 and 80 watts W of power. This is one of our favorite fans for the summer. We'd recommend it to those looking for a bedroom fan, but it would also work well in a home gym, garage, shop, or commercial space. Number 2. Poloni's 20-inch 3-speed box fan. Noisy at its highest speed. The Poloni's box fan is a modestly priced option with 3 speeds, a sleek black design, and a front-facing dial. It is lightweight and has carry handles built into the top corner. We carried this fan back and forth from our home to our shop with little effort. At its highest setting, the Poloni's delivers powerful airflow that effectively cools down a stuffy room and can help keep you cool without air conditioning. The most noticeable con was the noise level. The Poloni's was loud on its highest setting, we had to lower it to have conversations without shouting. A standout feature was the recessed cord storage. Most box fan cords look messy when not in use, so we appreciated the ability to keep the power cord tidy and hidden. The fan came with stabilizing feet, a feature often found in higher-end models. We could turn in the feet to use this as a window box fan and turn them back out to put it on the floor. 3-speed fan control. Rotary 3-speed fan control makes it easy to optimize air circulation and airflow to suit any home or workspace. Safe and durable construction. The high-performance blades on this fan allow for smooth operation and are covered with a safety grille for protection while in use. Number 3. Black Plus Decker 9-inch frameless tabletop box fan. Not suited for cooling large spaces, like bedrooms. Don't let this fan's small stature fool you. Standing 11 inches tall, this box fan from Black Plus Decker delivers impressive airflow. It features a unique frameless design with a front-facing dial and a compact size that's well suited for use as a desk fan. On its highest setting, it generates wind speeds up to 11.6 miles per hour, which can make you feel more comfortable as you work or sleep. This cooling fan is also pretty quiet, with a decibel range of 45 to 50. Even at its highest setting, carrying on conversations and watching TV was easy. According to our energy usage tests, the Black Plus Decker is an energy-efficient choice, consuming about 29 to 41 W of power. Since this model is small, it won't work in every situation. Though it delivers impressive wind gusts for its size, its 9-inch fan blades limit the amount of air it can circulate. We also couldn't find any way to remove the casing to clean the blades. Overall, the modern design, portability, and power make this one of the best fans for the office or a bedside table, but its smaller size and shorter cord limit its versatility. Number 4. Comfort Zone 20-inch 3-speed box fan with carry handle. One of the stabilizing legs broke during assembly. Short power cord. The Comfort Zone 20-inch fan wasn't the loudest model we tested, but it came close. When measured from 2 feet away, it produced sound levels ranging from 64 to 68 dB, providing white background noise. We found the fan's moderately high noise levels to be one of the easiest to fall asleep to. It also produced adequate airflow that made our bedroom feel more comfortable. We liked the fan's modern black look and lightweight design. It also came with stabilizing feet to help prevent the fan from moving around while powered on. However, one of them broke during installation. Fortunately, even without the stabilizing feet, we didn't notice much movement when the fan was powered on high. Our energy meter tests show that the comfort zone used between 68.1 and 83.6 W of power. Its top-mounted dial with 3 speeds was easy to adjust, and the grill is removable via screws for access and cleaning of the fan blades. The power cord was a little short for our liking, and in some setups, an extension cord may be necessary to situate the floor fan where needed. Number 5. Comfort Zone 9-inch 3-speed portable box fan. Not powerful enough to cool down large spaces. Small box fans are ideal for placing on a desk or bedside table, and the Comfort Zone 9-inch fan is one of the best options in this size range. It's quiet and delivers just the right amount of airflow to cool you off without blowing important papers off your table or desk. According to our energy meter tests, it's also energy efficient, consuming 16.5 to 26.9 W of power. The Comfort Zone is a quiet fan with 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. On high, it registered 49 dB of sound, which provided some white noise but was quiet enough to talk over. On medium and low, it was nearly silent. Despite its lack of a carry handle, the Comfort Zone's compact design makes it easy to pick up and transport without issue. At its top speed, the Comfort Zone produced wind gusts of up to 5.8 miles per hour, which was much lower than the 20-inch box fans we tested. The airflow was powerful enough to keep one person comfortable. However, the 9-inch blade size means this fan isn't equipped for whole-room cooling. Even though it's stationary, this fan can keep you as cool as comparable small oscillating fan models. The Comfort Zone is available in white and black and at a budget-friendly price point.